It's me again. I just wanted to jump on and check out how you all are doing and invite you to come on over and watch our 3 p.m. show Eastern time. So in just about 15 minutes, we will have a full hour show. Hey Celeste, where are all the other items? I want to give like a sneaky peek, or are they in the dark? They're in the dark. I will try to give you a sneak peek of some of the items other than the today's special value that we'll be taking a peek at. Oh, yes. Let's show them the covered pie. All right, Maureen? I don't know if this is going to work, guys. Oh, it is. So look how beautiful. Oh, you're so good. Our team is just amazing, you guys. Here is our beautiful harvest. Look at this, with the adorable pumpkins that have the floral lace in Old World. We have the adorable little owl, the apple baskets. This is the first time this has been available on air. Fully sculptural detail on the lid. And then look at how beautiful the holiday is. You have that festive fetty there on the side. And then you have that beautiful wreath, that package for the handle, and then all of the adorable ornaments, all individually hand painted. And yes, we have your beautiful tree detail on the inside. So if you picked up the today's special value in holiday, you are absolutely going to want to marry it with this pie dish because it's so stinking cute. Okay, so I think that's my first stinking cute today. Let's move on over here. How about a quick peek at our auto delivery? Here is the best part. We have a 10-inch, a 12-inch, and a 14-inch Squoval trays. So you can start with pumpkin patch. Then if you stay in the delivery, you're gonna move over to holiday, where we have our Santa. He's at the stove. Then he's at the fireplace. Then we have the tree. By the way, we're in darkness, and Celeste, one of our stylists, is so kind with her flashlight. Yes, there it is, the hand. We have egg hunt. And then at the very end, we are working for you guys. See, we will figure out a way to give you sneak peeks, period. And then, of course, we have your, thank you. As if someone heard me, the lights came on. Celeste, you're amazing. Thank you. Amazing staff and crew at QVC heard me and answered my wishes for light. So look how fun that is. We just have such a great show. The lit picture is back. I don't know if many of you picked that up, that beautiful ambient light, that enclosed encapsulated picture that has 3 AAA batteries, which is great, and it even has like a little 4-hour timer. What else can I show you? The today's special value. All of you are loving that. Trying not to bump my head. What's over there, Chris? What's that? Oh, the big 7-piece set. We debuted this very early. Could you pick up your papers for 1 sec? You're the best. We debuted this. Oh, you're still looking at me. We debuted this very early in our August days, and I just wanted to show you guys again. We're only missing one of the pieces here, but we have 2 of our trays, that beautiful vegetable bowl, pedestal ramekins, so cute, and we did it in, of course, all of our colors. So we're going to be taking a sneak peek at that too. The rumor is, oh, there's the picture. Look at me. I'm like, there goes a chicken. The rumor is something really special is going to happen during our show. So you're definitely going to want to tune in to our 3 p.m. Here's our picture. There's your confetti, your eggplant, cranberry, red, black, blue, and of course our classic green. So just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. Hope you will join us in about 11 minutes. Bye, everybody.